Hey everyone, Big Bear Ballin here. It's been a little bit since I've done a video, but the metas have been changing really quickly. I filmed a bunch of stuff at 6 engine rooms when the engine rooms were all spread out, sort of making a line along this left side of the hole, and there was one on the right. But now everyone's doing this kind of a thing or a variant of it. So I scrapped that. I wanted to make a new one with this because these bases are getting fairly tough. I don't finish them most of the time, but neither do they, the people I'm going against. So just show you guys what's going on with it and how I'm attacking. I had a ton of trouble, and then I built this base from someone who did well against me and who was ranked 25, and then watching people attack it, I've been able to figure out a little bit of what to do. I did just get Seekered. I'm going to keep checking, make sure I'm recording. Okay. I did just get Seekered by this rank 25 guy because these engine rooms are all very close. So he actually bullet racing from the left. And I think he has the extra because he's in 7. He uses a lot of shots to make this work. So pretty easy like that. That's the only Seeker attack I've really seen against me, so I thought that was interesting. Anywho, let's go ahead and jump into some live battles. I've got a chest to grab. Looking at the tech tree, I've got pretty much everything I want maxed. No bullet, I may go back for him eventually. I'm seeing a lot of people with these extra defensive building nodes. They have totally maxed defenses, and those bases are very beefy. I did consider getting Cryoneers, and I may still at some point, just to make some of these bases a little easier if the clump is going to continue. I had to go back and get Seekers. I didn't get them till after I got to here, but they've been really helpful as far as helping with my attack. More so on the other bases. Now with the clump, I'm using them a little bit less. And then got the Semo, and then I'm working on this building damage. I'm saving up tokens right now to max this guy out. Pretty much everyone has those maxed where I'm at right now. Still recording? Okay. It keeps shutting off when I'm recording, so that's why I wanted to change. And this guy really jumped up there. Boom, boom. Bob Ross up there too. Huh. He was back in rank 25 yesterday, like low rank 25. I am number 117 right now. I'm trying to get to rank 25, so that would put me into top 90. So we'll see what happens today. Yeah, I was a little late to the trend. I didn't switch to this base till yesterday. I was running my spread base for a while, and I was getting good times. People weren't finishing it until, maybe 120 remaining. So I was progressing really well until everyone started having this base, and I couldn't beat it. And they were slow on my base, but, they pretty much took it out every time, unless they tried to get fancy with Seekers. So I had to switch, drop down a little bit, but I'm working my way up. Alright, let's see. I can't. So with this 4 on the left, or 3 on the left, 1 up top, and then 2 down here, I don't like that this Doom Cannon and Shock Launcher are together, but I'm going to try and make it work anyway. And then this Shock Blaster is going to rip me apart. Hopefully I can take out that engine room before anything happens, so. No hidden mine, that's good.
Okay. Rocky! Okay. Righto.
Trying to get this last player somewhere in between the machine gun and the cannon. little bit going, it's you have a chance. Let's try. I've been able to get all 6 engine rooms, but it's just sort of tough. Things gotta go right, the heavies have to split the right way. I needed more heavies and bombardiers to go to the left side, that left wall, and keep progressing down. I needed Kavan to be over there too, honestly. But it didn't work like that. But take out 3 engine rooms and that's a win. I like this one a little more easy. So this is sort of nice when he's got this cluster because I can take out most of the bad stuff before I get to the end of the base. This is what I saw someone do on my base, and I've sort of been copying it since. They take out this right side and then they travel up the left, and it sort of works with all this cluster. So I'm gonna drop those there. 2 bombardiers. So get them to where they're pretty far back. To go, and then another I only have my barrage at level 4 and my art at level 3, so I don't have the most energy to take out that stuff. If I can take out that rocket launcher, then I'll be okay. We are hopefully going to be able to take out that engine room without getting popped. So I think I'm probably going to do it. If I can get just enough PvE, maybe. Yeah, the rocket launcher is going to target. guy's gonna take out another engine room. What's he doing? Where is he? I think he lost. I don't see any troops. Go to damage. I think I got him. Alright. And that is how you beat these bases. That's how you win while still basically losing. I'm not doing very well taking out these bases either, but neither are they. But it makes chests a little bit harder to get. So you can see with that last strategy with this troop combo, I got through the base pretty well. I just had to, I lost a few bombardiers early. I might have been able to reflare, and I should have taken out some more of those mines with the barrage or something, because I lost like 4 bombardiers at the end there. But that can get you through the base for a long time. But even still, these 150 building damage, and depending on the layout, because there's little differences between them, can make or break your attack. I'll try and get this chest, and then I'll do one more. Some people are in 7 engine rooms already. I don't know if I'm gonna go. I thought initially I would stay in 6, maybe, because that 7 engine room is gonna make it tougher, but because that hole is smaller, so and the ramps are the same. There's giant ramps, so you can't really protect anything. But I think I may go to 7 still. I may have enough keys to get to building health if I can get to legendary soon. So that's my goal. That's what I'm going to work towards. And we'll see what happens. I think I need 6 days to get to building health, and there's like 7 days left maybe. So we'll see. I hope everyone's season is going well. What do y'all think without the heavy choppers? They finally added in a bunch of building damage and health in the season without heavy choppers as the meat shield. So it's definitely a little different. That's why you're running into this kind of a meta right now. But I like it. I'm glad they took them away for a little bit. Maybe they'll take away bombardiers and seekers too, and just do an all normal season, but retro. But we'll see. I know a lot of people are getting stuck in Diamond right now, and the defenses have been pretty tough to beat. There's a 5 engine room layout I still have trouble beating, actually, because it's got maxed everything. I haven't seen it in a while, but it's getting tough. If you're in 4 engine rooms, go to 5, because it's just a grind there, and 5's is pretty much a grind too now, unless you have seekers. Start mixing in some bombardier and seeker attacks. Use the combo stuff on that. Oh, this is 7 engine rooms. Okay. I think this will work pretty well, though. I'm gonna use the same combo. okay. He got me. Wish I had a little bit stronger barrage and stuff. Alright, let's go. Targeted the boom cannon there. That's okay. But basically how you get through. I could have done some reflares there, and you know, done a little bit better with my troop management at the end. But that's basically how you're gonna try and get through this base. Let's see what he does against me. I'm wondering if he has let's do one more. Let's see if I can finish strong here. Get a little closer to rank 25. I don't know. These bases, they're definitely pretty tough with the 150 building damage. And pretty much everyone up here in rank 24 has max rocket launchers for the most part. So that makes a big difference too. I finally just got mine to rank 12 or level 12, but I need to get that max because it makes a big difference having that extra one that can patrol the sides of the base, you know. If he just had one rocket launcher on that side like I did, I would have won that fairly easily, but with two, they really took my bombardiers to town. Interesting. I think I can do the same thing I've been doing. Honestly, it shouldn't be too bad. Okay, let's do that. got the W here. This is all just for posterity, saving face, I guess. I'll go ahead and kill myself. I feel like I'm so close to beating it. Just in like one thing, what it is. One thing short, and then I can beat these bases every time. I don't know if it's the Cryoneers or if I just need to use my GBE a little bit better, but like I said, it's ugly wins. They still don't fail me, so you just gotta do more than the other person. Anywho, I'm making my way up. Got to rank 76, so some decent battles there. I hope you guys have more luck than I did with these bases, and you know, keep progressing forward, and good luck ranking up. I'll see y'all a little bit later in the season, guys. Take care.